Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to launch the ScreenConnect for ComputerLink Northwest to access your computer. So you'll want to open your web browser. That's the first thing that you need to do. And then you need to enter into the address bar go.clnw.com/connect. And as you can see, I can't even type today, /connect. Once that has been entered, you can press enter and you'll be presented with a screen that looks like this. You make sure that you are on the ComputerLink Northwest website, and then you'll enter in the code that the tech has given you. And do not enter 12345. Ask them what the code is, and press the right arrow here. And if you'll watch, it puts the download file up here in the upper right-hand corner. If it sends you a zip file and you're familiar with how to extract files from a zip and run the files in there, you can just go ahead and launch that and extract all. But if not, click this little button down here that says try the next option. And once you do that, it will download a file that you can just run directly. It takes a few more seconds for that one to download, depending on your internet. And once that's finished, you want to click this arrow right here, the box with the right arrow pointing up. That's the open button. You click that. Depending on the security settings on your PC, it may throw another warning at you. These are all great warnings because it keeps people from accessing your computer that you don't know. But we appreciate that you trust us. So you click that go ahead anyway or that continue, takes there, and then you just say run anyway, and that file will launch. It may prompt you one more time for a security warning. Just hit yes. Wait a few more seconds for it to get done loading, running, and now we have access to your computer.